Want to check in with Storm Tracker meteorologist Carson right now. We are so thankful no severe weather to worry about, but some rain.
Some rain, Megan. Maybe a few rumbles of thunder as well, but just good old-fashioned spring storms. No severe weather threat at all. And as you look at the early warning radar network, we are still dry. Lone exception is way up in the corner of Wayne County, Tennessee. Got some light rain moving in, but a lot of us will remain dry for the next several hours. Let's scoot things back over to northern Mississippi. If you look close, we got a few of those embedded thunderstorms within that bigger mass of rain. And that's really going to be the storyline, especially after 5 or 6 o'clock tonight, as this cold front finally pushes to the east and increases those rain and storm chances for your Friday evening. Let's take you out to Aberville now on the Way 31 Skycam network. Clouds have filled in. Actually had a nice sunrise earlier this morning, but those clouds will keep streaming in as that cold front gets closer. Temperature-wise, we're in the mid-70s right now, and that's pretty much where we're topping out today. Maybe warming a couple more degrees. Our forecast is 77 with those clouds continuing to move in, and the most widespread rain and storms, as we mentioned, after 5 or 6 o'clock tonight. Here's our updated look at future radar. This is 3 o'clock. You start to see some of those scattered showers moving into northwest Alabama. If you're here in Huntsville over Sand Mountain, you could see 1 or 2 showers this afternoon, but nothing too widespread until that main show arrives this evening. 6 o'clock tonight, we still got those scattered showers ahead of the main pocket of rain, which finally starts to move into northwest Alabama around that time. For the Trash Pandas game tonight, it's going to be a close call. As the game goes on, you see that rain and those thunderstorms increasing across most of North Alabama. And as far as severe weather, again, that's not an issue. But if we get any heavier thunderstorms tonight, that may cause some ponding on the roads. Bottom line, if you have any plans tonight, just keep the umbrella handy. Good news is cold front will finally pick up speed late this evening. Around 11 o'clock tonight, the rain is done in the shoals. And when you wake up on Saturday morning, all of the rain across North Alabama will be done. Got a lot going on in Alabama this weekend. A-Day in Tuscaloosa, and we've got NASCAR at Talladega. Green flag at 2 o'clock Sunday afternoon. Looks pretty good, although I will say clouds will be moving in as the race goes on. Looks like we'll get the race in just fine. No rain to speak of, but as we get towards the early part of next week, not only do those temperatures stay on the cool side, we're talking highs only in the mid-60s Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. But a wet weather pattern starts to take over once again. Now, the early part of next week, Monday in particular, looks pretty dry. Tuesday, not a washout, but we'll have some spotty showers around. The most widespread rain will be midweek. A washout, in fact, is looking pretty likely on Wednesday. And as far as next Thursday and next Friday are concerned, we will see rain. The question is how much. Some forecast models just give us a few hit and miss showers late next week. Others, like this forecast model, give us more washout days. Bottom line, you're going to need the umbrella a lot next week. Could actually see 1 to 3 inches of rain for next week. There's a 7-day forecast. We got some rain to contend with tonight, of course, but we'll dry things out for the weekend. And one thing I'll also mention, in addition to the cooler afternoons, those nights will be chilly with those lows in the 40s.